Oh my God, it's so juicy.
Yo, it's Robacus.
Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Robacus and welcome to another episode of Rob Cooks. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to cook a keto double cheeseburger. Now, if I've done the math right, there's only about roughly 23 grams of carbs in this entire sandwich. It's pretty good. I mean, going if you're one of the guys like me that does about 40 grams a day just to stay thin. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first off, if this is everything you're going to need, go ahead and take a study of that and I'll be right with you. Although if you guys are just listening, I'm just going to read it off for you. So what you're going to need is 2 beef patties, 2 slices of lettuce, 2 slices of cheese. I use American. For the lettuce, make sure it's a big slice too. Pickle chips, they're also called hamburger dills if you don't know. 1 slice of tomato, 2 slices of onion, some ketchup, some mayonnaise, A1 steak sauce, and Grill Mates hamburger spice, and maple barbecue or mesquite rub. First step, you're going to take the A1 sauce and you're going to put it in a Tupperware container and fill the container with water. Make sure you dilute the A1 as much as you can. Now, here's the thing about this. So yeah, you guys are probably looking at the screen like, yo, but Rob, isn't there sugar in A1? Well, it's okay. I did the math and you keep about roughly 6 grams of carbs throughout the whole thing, and the only reason being is because it doesn't absorb all of it. Anyhow, add your burgers to the marinade and let it marinate for 6 hours. Alright, so for the next step, you're going to drain the A1 marinade you made out of the burgers and spice it with your hamburger spice and or mesquite or honey rub. Then you are going to throw your burgers on a grill. I'm just grilling it on a regular stove. You can grill it however you want to. You can put it on an actual grill. You can put it on, I don't know, George Foreman if you want to get rid of more fat to make it even healthier. I just chose this. Second step is you're going to take 1 slice of lettuce, place it down on a plate. It's on a cutting board here, and throw on 2 pickles. The next thing you're going to do is throw on a tomato. And then the next thing you're going to do is throw on an onion. The next thing you're going to do is throw some mayonnaise on it. And some ketchup. And then when your burger is near complete, remember to flip it. So when your burgers look like they're almost ready, you're going to throw a slice of cheese on it, let it melt a little bit, and when it's done, you're going to throw both patties on to your lettuce half with the toppings on it, and then you're going to close it up with a piece of lettuce on top. And voila! There you go, guys. A keto double cheeseburger. Tastes kind of like a Whopper when you're done. Anyhow, guys, like and subscribe if you want to. Shout out to the little nephews and cuss views, and I will see you in the next one.